Hi guys, welcome to my art channel. Thanks for being here with me today. So it's a mistint house paint. It started off as a grey colour and I've just added, your drippings that you scrape off your table. So I've added that to it, so it's just a very dark grey colour now. And this is mixed exactly the same as my other colours. It's just black and the make is Byron. So it's mixed with untinted house paint, but I don't add Jo Sonja to my Faux Pillow. And that's just how I test my colours. Wipe them on a bit of a paper towel to see if I think they go together. That one was TLP Mosh, that's TLP Funk, that is TLP Hustle. A little bit thick, so just put a little bit of water in with my water spray. That is TLP Psych, Neon Teal, Jo Sonja Aqua. All these colours will be listed in my description box below. And this is Atelier Cobalt Turquoise Light Hue, and it is semi-opaque. All of these colours you'll find listed in my description box. Click on the video title to easily access and it will take you straight there if you're on your phone, laptop, iPad, computer, but not if you're on your TV. You can't access the description box from there, unfortunately. And these are my cell activators, Atelier Blue Black and Atelier Titanium White. Both of those cell activators are mixed with Australian floetrol, approximately 2.5 parts of floetrol to 1 part of paint, with nothing else added. Okay, I'll let you carry on watching.
Never could have been thinking I would know what the future bring. All the highs and lows, said I'm gonna win, though the world might spin. Now I'm sitting here like I'm no one. It rains down on me, all the phone calls I'm ignoring. See, I'm a mess, just trying to guess my way through this. Just don't get enough of me. 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 Worry way too much, got a policy. Didn't bring me luck, just the honesty. Now it's all on me, if I'm gonna win. Oh, I'm just gonna get up. It rains down on me, all the phone calls I'm ignoring. See, I'm a mess, just trying to guess my way through this. Just don't get enough of me. Just don't get enough of me.
What you can see here under the black is the white cell activator. Obviously I applied too much of it and it's coming up through the black, so once it's dry I'll have to paint over it in black. You saw me try numerous times to swipe to get rid of it, but it just kept coming up. It does look a bit of a mess, but I can just apply some black mixed with floetrol or some other pouring medium to minimise the paint lines from the brush, and do that once it's dry. But other than that, I love the rest of it. Shame about that bit, but yeah, we live and learn, don't we? I do like the rest of it though, and you can see there I've painted over the black and it's now fine. I love these neon pigments from TLP. They're really bright and especially nice over black. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you like it, please hit that like button and please subscribe if you haven't already. And everybody take care, stay safe, see you next time, bye.